FANUC ROBOCUT is a versatile all-rounder that will do the majority of your everyday electrical discharge machining on the same setup. ROBOCUT provides maximum machining performance for minimal per-unit costs. Its simple design ensures high reliability and ease of use. FANUC's unique AWF2 automatic wire feed technology ensures fast automatic wire feed in just 10 seconds. Comprising very few components, the wire feed mechanism is built for maximum reliability and easy maintenance. Maintaining wire tension to an accuracy of plus or minus 15 grams, twin servo wire tension control ensures consistent machining by preventing wire position errors. Pre-seal self-cleaning reduces cleaning time to less than an hour a week. The centerpiece of every FANUC ROBOCUT is the most reliable CNC in the world. Smart onboard functionality includes AI corner control for step shapes and corner cutting, MF2 microfinish for extremely fine edges and mirror finish surfaces. Thanks to thermal displacement compensation, ROBOCUT also consistently machines to the same exacting standards despite room temperature fluctuations. 3D rotation function compensates for workpiece inclination and rotation. CAM-I makes programming conical, non-conical, and 4-axis machining routines easy. Link-I for remote monitoring of up to 32 machines simultaneously. ROBOCUT is designed to save energy. Features such as the power monitor, energy saving function, and power regeneration keep energy consumption to an absolute minimum. ROBOCUT design allows good accessibility to automation solutions. Do more faster with FANUC ROBOCUT.